Okay, let's start filling the blanks. So first is chemistry is an dash science. So what will we do in the chemistry? Experiments. Okay. So chemistry is an experimental science. Fill experimental in the blank. Chemistry is an experimental science. Jasmeet, Jasmeet, are you doing? Okay. Great. Second is scientific knowledge is gained through dash and dash. So when we gain scientific knowledge, when we do experiments and observations, okay. So when we do experiments and different observations are there, so our scientific knowledge increase. So fill in the blank. Scientific knowledge is gained through experiments and observations. Experiments and observations. Clear? Fill in the blanks. Page number 10 of chemistry book. Jayashri, open page number 10 of chemistry book. So clear scientific knowledge is gained through experiments and ob- EXPERIMENTS experiments and observations. OBSERVATIONS observations. First fill in the blank is experimental. EXPERIMENTAL experimental. And second is experiments and observations. Check spelling from here. Mac, read third. So what we deal in the okay. So what we deal in the chemistry? Dash of matter. So which chemistry deal with the dash of matter? Dash में क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? States of matter. So there are states of matter. How many states of matter are there? Three: solid, liquid, and gas. ठीक है? So chemistry deals with the states of matter and the dash which undergoes in various conditions and the changes. So which are changes undergoes that are also we read in the chemistry. We study in the chemistry the changes which undergo in the various conditions, that whether liquid changes to uh, gas or gas changes to solid. Okay. So chemistry deals with the states of matter. There are states of matter and the changes which undergo in various conditions. Clear? Next is the knowledge of dash has provided us better with better construction material. Anji, tell me the knowledge of chemistry. So when we have knowledge of chemistry, It provided us better construction material. Okay, chemistry, the knowledge of chemistry has provided us better construction material. Okay, okay. As many years ago, when chemistry has there is no knowledge of chemistry, so we are using mud or soil with water. Okay, but after gaining the knowledge of chemistry, we they chemistry provide us better construction material like cement, etc. Okay, so these materials like cement, PVCs, etc. are the inventions of chemistry, discoveries of chemistry. Okay, gained through various chemical processes or chemical reactions. Okay, fifth is a dash is a person who researches in the field of chemistry. Anji, who do researches in the field of chemistry? So, so who are these? Tell me. So these are chemists who do researches in the chemistry. Okay, so a chemist is a person. A chemist is a person who does research in the field. Yes, a chemist is a person who does research in the field of chemistry. Okay, okay. So next, true false. Right, true or false for the following statement. So chemistry is the branch of pure science. Is it true or false? Pure science means chemistry deal chemistry deals with the natural phenomena and new inventions, experiments. Okay, so it is true. Chemistry deals with the experiments and natural phenomena are there in the chemistry. Okay, so it is true. Okay, so next is respiration is a chemical process. So respiration is a chemical process or not? Because there is changes of gases in respiration process. Oxygen changes to carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, so when we intake oxygen, gas is there, and when we exhale, carbon dioxide gas is there. So there is chemical process. Okay, so this is true. Next, hydrogen bomb and atom bomb are deadly weapons. So these are used in war. Okay, hydrogen bomb and atom bombs are usually used in the wars. So these are deadly weapons. So this is also true. Clear? So fourth is chemistry has no role in national economy. Chemistry has no role in national economy or has role in national economy. So it's false. It's false. Chemistry has a role in national economy also. Okay. So chemistry as we study that chemistry role of use of chemistry in national economy. Okay. So nature provides us many raw material as water, etc. So these material produce thousands of useful substances like metals, plastic, etc. So chemistry has role in national economy. Okay. Next is chemistry plays an important role in peace and in war. Is it true or false? Is it why? Huh? True. Because chemistry plays an important role in war. How in war? Because we use atom bombs and hydrogen bombs in war, which are the invention and discoveries of chemistry. Okay, so it is true. Clear?